Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 won't have a built-in S Pen support. Also, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite 5G press render has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from Samsung, and starting from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it is going to be in a report that we are going to see stylus support for the first time in a foldable devices for quite some time now. And also Samsung has confirmed a few weeks ago that they are skipping the launch of Galaxy Note 21 this year for two reasons. One is global chip shortage, which is affecting every tech company this year, and another that it is hard for them to make a difference between their S21 Ultra and Note 21 Ultra, and that's the reason Samsung has postponed the launch for the Galaxy Note series for next year. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be equipped with an S Pen support as per most rumors, and if true, it will make the Z Fold 3 the second ever non-Note device which will be having an S Pen support, and the first is obviously the S21 Ultra. A lot of people has expected that Samsung will be offering a dedicated slot for the S Pen stylus just like the Galaxy Note devices, but it turns out that it is not going to be the case here. According to the new report that has been coming from South Korea, that the Z Fold 3 will support the S Pen functionality but will not have a dedicated slot for it. The report says that Samsung was working to bring the stylus inside the device but decided against it for basically two reasons. One of them is going to be the running out of space for the S Pen inside the Z Fold 3, despite having the rumors to be having a smaller battery and smaller screen size. To make the S Pen doesn't get lost, Samsung will include a special case to hold the S Pen just like the S21 Ultra. Also, to make sure that S Pen will not damage the foldable display, Samsung has also increased the thickness of its ultra thin glass on the Z Fold 3 device. Earlier reports suggest that the Z Fold 3 will have a wider outer screen. The under-display camera is almost confirmed here, and also Samsung is using a new polarized OLED display which will increase brightness and consume less power. With that being said, there is another leak that has been arrived for the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite 5G, which is going to be launching alongside the Z Fold 3 and the S21 Fan Edition. The render images that has been leaked give us a detail that it's looking similar to the Galaxy Tab S7 with a slim flat design, thin bezels, and a place to magnetically attach the S Pen to the rear. The Galaxy Tab S7 Lite will be coming with a downgraded processor, the Snapdragon 750G, and a 12.4-inch IPS LCD panel, and there will be a version with 4 gigs of RAM inside. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 S Pen? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.